In Power BI, relationships do not appear in charts or tables. They live in a separate place called the model view. This view does not show numbers or visuals. It only shows how tables are connected to each other. Each table appears as a box, and lines between boxes show relationships. These lines explain which tables talk to each other. If there is no line, Power BI treats the tables as unrelated, even if they look similar. This view exists so users can see structure at a glance. It answers one simple question: how is the data connected? Each relationship line contains two important pieces of information. Direction shows how filters move between tables. Cardinality shows how many rows match on each side. Power BI uses simple symbols. One side shows a single value. The other shows many values. This tells Power BI how totals and filters should behave. When direction and cardinality are correct, reports behave predictably. When they are wrong, totals change unexpectedly. Users do not need to memorize rules. They only need to read the symbols shown on the relationship line.